Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're passionate about the cutting edge of camera technology, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving headfirst into some explosive new leaks and rumors surrounding one of the most anticipated mirrorless cameras in the industry, the Fujifilm X-T6. From groundbreaking features to a surprising release timeline, this is one video you won't want to skip, the camera leak we've all been waiting for. Let me kick things off with a bold statement: the Fujifilm X-T6 is shaping up to be the game-changer of the decade. The leak that surfaced recently has stunned photography forums and ignited serious buzz in the camera community. The rumored specs suggest that Fujifilm is pulling out all the stops, pushing the limits of what's possible in an APS-C mirrorless bodying. Now, before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone and hit that notification bell so you never miss another major camera update or leak analysis. Let's dig into the juicy details. Rumored specs of the Fujifilm X-T6. The evolution we've hoped for. According to the most credible insider sources, the Fujifilm X-T6 will feature a 42.2MP X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor. Yes, that's technically the same megapixel count as the X-T5, but don't be fooled by the numbers alone. Word on the street is that Fujifilm has dramatically enhanced its low-light performance, thanks to smarter pixel architecture and improved sensor tuning. We're talking about better detail retention and reduced noise, even at high ISO values. A dream come true for night shooters and event photographers. To support this, the processor under the hood may be an upgraded X Processor 6, or a significantly optimized version of the X Processor 5. This means faster image rendering, improved power efficiency, real-time processing for AI features, and more. To these core upgrades alone could revolutionize the hybrid shooting experience, especially for those working in demanding environments such as weddings, sports, and documentary filmmaking. Autofocus like never before, AI-powered precision. This is where the Fujifilm X-T6 starts pulling ahead of the competition. The leaked details suggest a next-generation AI-assisted autofocus system that will offer next-level subject recognition and tracking. The algorithms are reportedly capable of identifying and locking onto multiple subjects, humans, animals, vehicles, even in chaotic scenes or fast-paced action. If you're into bird photography, motorsports, or candid street shooting, this could be the biggest leap Fujifilm has made yet. Say goodbye to missed focus moments. With the X-T6, intelligent autofocus is no longer a luxury, it's standard. A cinematic powerhouse, 6.2K and beyond for the video creators and hybrid shooters out there. Things are about to get even more exciting. Rumor has it the X-T6 will record 6.2K video at 30 frames per second internally, no external recorder required. That's a resolution sweet spot for content creators who want more flexibility in post without sacrificing file manageability. Even better, it's said to support 4K at 120 frames per second with 10-bit 4:2:2 internal color sampling. This means buttery smooth slow-motion footage and cinema-quality grading options straight from the camera. Videographers will also appreciate rumored features like ProRes internal recording and RAW output via HDMI, potentially putting this camera in the same conversation as cinema cameras costing thousands more. There's even talk of an integrated cooling system, possibly a built-in fan, which would tackle one of Fujifilm's long-standing limitations, overheating during extended video shoots. This alone could open the X-T6 up to professional filmmakers, vloggers, and YouTubers. Image stabilization, up to 8 stops of freedom. When it comes to handheld shooting, image stabilization is everything, and the X-T6 could be pushing boundaries again. While the X-T5 offered an already impressive 7 stops of IBIS, the latest leaks hint at 7.5 to 8 stops in the X-T6. This improvement, if true, could allow handheld shooting at shutter speeds as low as 1/4 of a second, especially in low-light or fast-paced conditions. The best part? Rumors point to a more compact stabilization mechanism, making the body size more manageable while improving overall balance and weight distribution. Display and viewfinder, visuals that inspire confidence. Let's talk about what you'll actually be seeing when you shoot. The X-T6 is rumored to upgrade its electronic viewfinder to a 5.76 million OLED panel, which would place it in the same class as higher-end cameras from Sony and Canon. You'll get ultra-crisp previews, color-accurate visuals, and near-zero lag for more precise composition. The rear screen is another area that might see a big change. Instead of the 3-way tilt screen seen in previous models, we might see a hybrid articulating mechanism, possibly blending tilt and flip options for added versatility during low-angle or selfie-style vlogging shots. Battery life and power management, efficiency reinvented. Although the X-T6 is likely to use the same NP-W235 battery as its predecessor, insiders suggest major power management improvements. This means longer shooting sessions, less downtime, and fewer worries about packing extra batteries for a day's shoot. With the upgraded processor and more efficient heat control, expect better thermal management, translating into improved performance. Consistency. Whether you're shooting a 2-hour event or a high frame rate video, true to Fujifilm's roots, the X-T6 will likely continue its strong focus on in-camera color science. Expect expanded film simulation profiles, real-time LUT previews, and possible custom color creation tools. The combination of high-resolution stills and unmatched Fujifilm tones could make this a favorite among portrait, street, and editorial photographers. The release date mystery. Everything you thought was wrong now. Let's talk timing, and here's where things get really interesting. For months, the consensus was 2025 release. But new reports suggest that Fujifilm is delaying the X-T6 until after the release of the X-H3 or X-H3s, neither of which have been officially announced. YET.do the math, and you'll realize this pushes the potential launch of the X-T6 into late 2026 or even early 2027. Yes, you heard that right, possibly 2027. While this sounds like bad news at first, it actually highlights Fujifilm's commitment to quality and innovation. Rather than rushing the product, they're taking time to perfect each feature, giving photographers a more refined and reliable product. Pricing strategy. Premium features without full-frame prices. So how much is all this innovation going to cost you? Body-only price is expected to be in the range of $1,799 to $1,899. For the kit bundle with the 18 to 55mm lens, you're looking at around $2,099 to $2,199. While this puts the X-T6 slightly above the X-T5, it still keeps it well below Fujifilm's X-H2s line. In fact, it positions the X-T6 in direct competition with the Sony A7 RV and Canon EOS R6 Mark II, both more expensive and full-frame, while potentially offering better video specs and AI features for hybrid creators, wedding photographers, travel vloggers, and filmmakers looking to consolidate gear. This could be the ultimate value proposition. Final thoughts. Is it worth the wait? To sum it all up, yes, the Fujifilm X-T6 is worth the wait. The advanced sensor, next-gen AI autofocus, powerful video capabilities, extended battery life, and Fujifilm's legendary color science all point toward a camera that could redefine the APS-C market.